Hi, I'm Kristen of White Arrows Home, and welcome to our lakeside log cabin home in the North Woods of Wisconsin, Camp Paradise.
Oh, the good times just begun.
I blog and share on social media all about our life here in the North Woods. One of the things I love to share are simple, easy, quick, inexpensive DIYs. Today's project is just that kind. It only takes 3 supplies, it's under $20, and takes minutes to put together. We're going to be making nautical candle holders.
You got it. We don't need no more.
One of the things I love about this project is how creative you can get with it. You can use different size vessels, you can use different size rope, you can use different fillers to go inside of it, whatever makes it unique for your home. I picked up a couple of these big, thick, round vases. I picked up some white pillar candles. You can pick any color to help match the season or your home decor. You can choose flameless, that you just put batteries inside, and then you can either flip them on the bottom, or you can use, a lot of them have a little remote control, or you can even use regular candles that you light with a match. And then I picked up this thick roping, this jute twine. I wanted to have the thicker rope. And then the only other supply I needed, I already had at home, and that was my glue gun. A lot of these things you might have at home. You might have leftover vases from other projects that you've done or flowers that you've received. You may have some roping or some ribbon that you want to use, some candles that you've used in another arrangement. So this project might even be free for you. To start, I'm just going to put a little bit of hot glue and the rope, and then I'm just going to start winding it around. I want to only go up about 1/3 of the way with the roping, and then the candle will stick out of the top. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll subscribe here on my YouTube channel and that you'll follow me over on the blog and on all my social media. To see more about this project, you can head to the notes and click the link to head right to my blog.
And I can't